Hello, we're Bioengineering Senior Design Team 5, and this is our project, the AFO Shoe Donning Assist. We're excited to be able to show you all the hard work we've done to find the perfect idea and turn it into a reality. Our idea for an unmet clinical need came from meeting with occupational therapists during the ethnography phase of the design process. They informed us that many of their patients need to wear an AFO brace to correct for foot drop. These patients commonly struggle to put on their shoe while wearing the brace, often due to a lack of mobility and dexterity stemming from their underlying condition. This can limit a person's independence and even prevent them from being discharged from a hospital setting. With the unmet clinical issue in mind, the group brainstormed solution sketches to ideate features that would address user needs. After choosing a solution, we used foam core, paper clips, and glue to create a low-resolution prototype in order to understand the basics of our design. It wasn't functional, but it allowed us to get feedback on our design from occupational therapists, who provided context on how features might be used and advice on what could be improved. For the next round of prototyping, we placed greater thought and precision into our design, modeling our device to fit specified parameters that took into account the hazards and risks we identified for our patient population. The components for our medium-resolution prototype were X-carved out of MDF and laser cut out of hardboard. The prototype was assembled using screws and wood glue, which gave our device greater strength and structural stability compared to the low-resolution prototype. Informal testing proved it still wasn't quite strong enough though. To account for the limitations of wood and glue, we decided to switch materials of the internal components of the device to stainless steel so that our device could operate more smoothly and withstand human body weight. Special thanks to the folks at Skippy for fabricating the parts for our high-resolution frozen design. Here is a demonstration on how to utilize our device. The easy-to-use Velcro strap allows the user to secure their shoe on top of the device using just one hand. The gooseneck tongue clips can then be adjusted to provide a greater opening for the foot to enter. The relatively light weight of the device allows it to be placed on the ground using one hand only. The platform angle is easily adjusted to meet user preference by pulling up on the top platform. After moving the device against the wall, the user can enter their foot into their shoe, ideally with the help of a shoe funnel. Silicone pads attached to the bottom of the device prevent it from sliding out from under the user. The device can be picked up using the carrying handles, and the angle will return to the flat setting. Overall, the user can don their shoe in less than a minute. With our final design frozen, the next phase of our project was to test our device to ensure it met user needs. This testing included meeting criteria for device size and weight, as well as force testing to evaluate the compressive strength of our device. Finally, validation testing was performed to show that our device is safe and effective for use by our intended user groups. A focus group of occupational therapists was conducted to acquire feedback on the final device from the clinician perspective. Usability studies were also conducted with actual patients from our intended user population to confirm that they could use our device in a safe and effective manner. Overall, we're very proud of our work and excited to share it with others. Thanks for watching.